Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vaishali. Thanks a lot for stopping by. As you have already seen in the title, today we are going to do a Nykaa haul. This is a long overdue haul and I haven't bought all of these things in one go. So to know what I have bought from Nykaa, do check out the video. But before getting into the video, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon right next to it. Follow me on Instagram for daily updates. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. To begin with, I'll first start with Nykaa's product only. The first thing is Nykaa's Get Inked. It's a felt tip liner or a pen liner. I prefer pen liner for winged liners. As you can see, it has a very fine tip and it's very good for the precise work too. Next product is also a Nykaa liner. This is Black Magic Liquid Liner. Because I feel the pen liner dries up very quickly, so that's why I have bought this liner. This one also has a very precise, as you can see, it's too thin. It's very good for the inner corners and it will give a very nice precise liner too. See, you can get a thick line or a thin line. Next is a stock up. This is Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara in the variant washable. This is a very nice mascara for daily use and I have stocked up because mine was about to dry, so I bought this one. Next is a very hyped product. This is Swiss Beauty Liquid Eyeshadow. It's in the shade For Smoky Storm. It's a very nice liquid eyeshadow and it is very pigmented, and yes, now I get it what the hype was all about. Next product is also a Swiss Beauty product. This is Swiss Beauty Exclusive Eye Color Collection 12 Ultra Professional Eyeshadow. Before buying this product, I was a bit in a dicey situation because I wasn't aware of the pigmentation. We have a very nice eyeshadow palette and the colors are too pigmented. I've used some of the colors on my eyes too. And this comes with a sponge applicator which we don't use at all. Nobody uses it, I guess, and it's okay. The plus point of this eyeshadow is that you get a very nice mirror, very nice and huge mirror actually, with such a great price. We'll move on to a makeup fixer. This is Faces Canada Ultime Pro Makeup Fixer. This was also a hyped product and many used to suggest this, so I have bought it. And this is how it looks from inside, and it has a very fine mist. As you can see, it's a very fine mist, spreads evenly and doesn't create that patchy stuff. Moving on, I have bought Nykaa Insta Liner in the shade Blue and Golden. These are also very nicely pigmented and doesn't give that blotchy finish, patchy or blotchy finish. Moving further, I have bought Miss Claire Full Coverage Makeup Pots. These are said to be NYX Makeup in a Jar dupes. I have bought in the shade 7 Natural Beige and 17. 17 is a very dark shade. It will be very helpful for contouring. These are full coverage products and gives a very nice finish. As you can see, I have used the concealer. I've used the 7 Natural Beige concealer and it's a very nice highly pigmented concealer. Little goes a long way, and yes, many say it's a dupe of NYX Makeup in a Jar, so you can try it too. Those are expensive, but these are very cheap. For all the prices, for all the links and prices, please check out the description box below. Next, I have bought some mink lashes from PAC. This is in the variant M75. It's a very dramatic eyelashes. Moving further, I have also bought a concealer palette. This is Wet n Wild Coverall Concealer Palette. It has a peach shade, green, and a concealing and highlighting shade. This one is a shimmery white color. I don't know why the shimmer is, but it's a very striking shimmery white color. This is for brightening and this for hiding the redness, and this is to conceal. Next product is Inglot Duraline. It's a very nice and useful product. If you have a gel liner and it has dried off, you can use this to revive its pigmentation. And if you want to create some colorful eyeliner looks, you can use few drops of this in your eyeshadow and your color liner will be ready. Next is a high-end product. This is MAC X Shea Jane box. This is in the variant Desi Girl. It was a limited edition boxes. This was MAC collaborating with Shea Jane, and this is a value for money box. You get 3 lipsticks for 2500, 25 or 2700, and as you all know that MAC lipsticks are expensive, so you are getting 3 full size lipstick for just 2500, so it is value for money. In this box you get MAC lipstick in the shade Russian Red, Whirl, and Captive. One is a pinky nude, one is a nude brown nude, and the other one is a very nice red color like next to Ruby Woo. Next is also a high-end product. This is a Becca product. This is Becca Sparkle the Light bestseller kit. This kit you get 3 products. One is a lipstick, one is a liquid highlighter, and the other one is a primer. You get a lipstick which is very small in size. It's a very small in size. You can see it's a nude color and very pigmented. Next in this kit you get Becca Backlight Priming Filter. You all know this is a very nice product and a very hyped product. This gives a very nice finish. Next is a Becca Liquid Highlighter in the shade Passion. Becca Ignite Liquefied Light Highlighter Illuminator, and it comes in a very nice packaging like you are opening a jewelry or something, like you're opening a jewelry or diamond something. This comes very nicely packed. This was for 2500 rupees, so I thought it's better investing in small size product because you will be easily able to finish it, and plus you are getting 3 products in 2500 rupees. So what else do you need? Next is the last high-end product. This is from Estee Lauder. I have bought this Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. It is a very hype product. This product is a magic, and why the hype is, I got to know after buying it. It's a very nice product, good for your skin. Like it suited my skin a lot, but it's very expensive too. This is how it looks. It's a very nice, like good for all skin type. It's like a treatment in a bottle, but it's very expensive, but it does a very nice job. With this I got some sample size products too. I got a kajal. Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Eye Pencil. I got Estee Lauder sample size lipstick in the shade Rouge Rebellious Rose. This is such a tiny lipstick, you can see, and it's a very nice nude color. Next free product is a perfume. It's such a cute small size perfume. It's in the shade Beautiful Belle. It's such a cute small size product. I love it. Like small size products has my heart. Like I love small size products. These are so cute and stuff. And next I also got a free golden pouch, good for the party season, which we are not going Next, moving on to some skincare and hair care. I have bought a Cetaphil moisturizing cream. It's very nice, mild moisturizer. It's non-comedogenic and dermatologically tested, and it's a very nice cream. I have bought L'Oreal Paris UV Perfect Super Aqua Essence Water Gel UV Protector with SPF 50 PA++++ long UVA. I believe that you should be applying sunscreen every time, and sunscreen should be a vital part of your skincare routine. Even if you're a teenager, sunscreen is a must. This is also a moisturizer, as I am from dry family. So this is Bare Body Glow Cream, hydrating, moisturizing, brightening. It's a 50-gram product, and it's a very nice glowing, like hydrating for sure cream. Last product is a hair care product. This is from the range L'Oreal Gold Quinoa Plus Protein Absolute Repair. I have bought the entire range. I have bought the hair mask, the shampoo, and the serum. As I have already mentioned, all the prices and the links will be in the description box below. Do not forget to check it out. So this sums up my video. If you liked any of the product, or you have any of the product, or you want to buy any of the product so that we can be product twinsies, do comment it down below. And if you like this video, do not forget to hit on that like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon right next to it. And if you want to stay connected with me on a regular basis, do follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle will be in the description box below. See you in the next video. Bye you guys. And if you want to know how I created this eye look, do check out the description box, or I'll be mentioning it in the I button. Do check it out. See you in the next video. Bye you guys. It's a value.